Hi, I'm Gina Ferwerda and I'm with Nom News. I have a new cookbook out, Meals from the Mitten, celebrating the seasons in Michigan. When you're at the farmer's market, it's perfect because you can go get your fresh Michigan produce and follow the recipes along. If you're tired of the same old thing and you want to add some flair, I say just look outside the box just a little bit. Here I have my roasted and toasted tomato crostini. So simple to make, has some ricotta, and also I grill some steak and I just thinly slice that, a little bit of blue cheese and balsamic glaze over that. And the best one that I love to do, I do every time we go camping, it's a bread bowl. So you're just gonna get a bread bowl at the store, you're gonna cut the top of that off, and then you are going to hollow out the inside. If you can see in there, I've made a spinach and artichoke bacon bread bowl that is just dip in there. We can put that together, throw that in, wrap this all in aluminum foil and throw that on your campfire, and it is nice, hot, bubbly, juicy. And then you can just take some crackers to it. My favorite sandwiches that I make for any picnic, any party, or to bring to my campsite are my Focaccia Sammies with a pistachio pesto. Add any meats or cheeses that you want. I just buy focaccia bread, super simple. This one is an Asiago, and cheddar, focaccia, and you're just gonna cut that in half, open that up, make your fresh homemade pesto, and that is just going to go on both sides. I layer that with all the different meats and cheeses that my kids like. You might want prosciutto or sopressata, or if you just like ham or turkey, whatever you would like in there. Some salami is great, and then some sliced cheese. Put that back together, slice that up. Perfect party bites. What I love about taking these to any campsite is there's no mayonnaise here, so they can stay out longer. I make these ahead and they last for days.